Now that Halloween is over, I've been blasting Christmas music every day, and now it's time to share it with the rest of the neighborhood. And I'm going to show you how in today's Moody Minute, where we'll show you 3 tips and tricks on how to get your home ready for the winter. So, step number 1 is obviously hanging Christmas lights. So you'll probably have a timer. You can use a Ziploc bag, cut out the corner, feed your light in there, and wrap it with some electrical tape, and do the same thing on the top, and then you are set and ready to go. Now, make sure to use UL marked Christmas lights, because those are rated for outdoor use, and you can even use twist and seal connectors if you want to be triple sure that there is no water intrusion. So, drum roll please. Joy to the world! Lastly, we want to make sure to reverse our ceiling fans to force that warm air down to your cozy self on the couch. Every ceiling fan has a little switch that you flip and it reverses the blades the other way. My wife says I'm full of hot air, but for some reason this helps. Although my favorite movie is Frozen, I do not want my pipes to be. So, make sure to cover your hose bib with a hose bib cover in the wintertime. It's as easy as pull and snap. I hope that was helpful in getting you ready for the most wonderful time of the year. And remember, 'tis the season to get moving with Moody. Hey, that's right.